Welcome again to Painting Explorer channel. I am Deni Junaedi. Now I will teach sketch in my college, Indonesian Institute of Art. I teach in visual art faculty, fine art department, especially in painting studio. Let me come to my class.
Indonesia is a tropic country. Here often rain, so the weather is enough cool. This Indonesian Institute of Art. Here some faculty, performance faculty, visual art faculty, and other. I teach in visual art faculty. This is my campus.
We will study to sketch. It is the first lesson. So we start how to create line. Before that, I will tell you about the tool and the material we use in sketch. Okay, it is very simple. We can use bamboo or wood or stick, something like that, and we can do it by ourselves. I use bamboo, and you can cut the bamboo, or you can use brush. Use Chinese ink. This very dark, and we can use the paper, something like this. In Indonesia called HVS, HVS. Yeah, in Indonesia, HVS. This for white or other. Or we can use aquarelle paper, aquarelle color. It is for painting, watercolor especially. Watercolor. Okay. In the first lesson, we just use line. So we will create a various line. For example, a straight line or other line. Okay, we practice. It is a straight line. Don't afraid if it is a different volume. Maybe you can make different volume, something like this. Okay. Don't be afraid if you drop your ink or you make less something like this. Don't be afraid. Use the something like this. This is the first lesson, or like this. In the first lesson, please you create 25 words. zigzag line. It is the foundation for our sketch when we create in the complex area. Okay, don't forget sign your work like this, and don't forget to give the year, the date. Okay, this is the first lesson. What is your name? Sugenda. It is the oldest student in this class. I will like Sugenda. And what is your name? Joseph. Where do you from? Oh, Jakarta. It is my student from Jakarta. Another? What is your name? Okay. Tiga. Where do you from? To Jakarta. To Jakarta. Is
Amazing.